Stealth Hunter. Pentagon's new target drone mimics enemy stealth fighters. The Pentagon has placed an order for an innovative target drone. This isn't just any drone. It mimics enemy stealth fighters. The goal is to enhance training, simulating advanced aerial threats U.S. pilots might encounter. Developed by Sierra Technical Services, it's called the 5th Generation Aerial Target, 5GAT. 5GAT is the result of a rapid developmental program aiming to address current training limitations. Notably, it doesn't have the same performance or capabilities as real stealth fighters. However, its design is sufficient to pose a real challenge in various training scenarios. The drone can mimic the radar cross-section of advanced enemy aircraft. It's a more economical solution compared to using actual fighter jets for similar training exercises. The Pentagon's order underlines the importance of preparing for advanced aerial combat scenarios. 5GAT will provide a realistic training counterpart, essential for improving tactics and strategies. It marks a significant step in evolving training methodologies to match modern threats. The integration of 5GAT into training will elevate the preparedness level of U.S. aerial forces. This approach mirrors a global trend of using sophisticated drones for training in simulation. The 5GAT program showcases the Pentagon's proactive measures to stay ahead in aerial warfare. That's it for today. To stay up to date with AI developments, don't forget to subscribe.